See one, do one, to simulate, master, heal. Bengaluru strengthens its role in advanced surgical training. Global Surgical Institute opens in Bengaluru to support evolving surgical education. Bengaluru, 15th April 2026. As healthcare systems worldwide continue to focus on improving patient safety, surgical precision, and clinical outcomes, there is a growing emphasis on strengthening how surgeons are trained. In this context, the launch of the Global Surgical Institute, GSI, in Bengaluru marks a significant step towards advancing surgical education through structured, simulation-led learning. India has long been recognized for its contribution to the global medical workforce, with thousands of Indian-trained doctors practicing internationally and the country continuing to be a preferred destination for medical value travel. Alongside this strong foundation, there is an increasing opportunity to further enhance hands-on surgical training in line with evolving global practices. Traditionally, surgical education has followed an apprenticeship-based approach and often described as see one, do one, teach one. This model has played a vital role in developing generations of skilled surgeons. Today, simulation-based training is being increasingly integrated as a complementary method to further strengthen clinical preparedness in a safe and controlled environment. The Global Surgical Institute has been established as a multi-specialty training facility focused on skill development through simulation before real-world clinical exposure. The aim is to support surgeons in building both technical proficiency and confidence through a structured learning pathway. Commenting on the initiative, Dr. B.S. Ajaykumar, Chairman and CEO of Healthcare Global Enterprises India, has a strong legacy of medical excellence, and as healthcare continues to evolve, so must our approach to training. Simulation-based learning offers an opportunity to enhance surgical preparedness by allowing clinicians.
Dr. Vijay Raghavan, who is former Vice Chancellor of the Provincial, has joined us. Really
Institute. If I may request an instrument. Ladies and gentlemen, our simulation laboratory is equipped with some of the most advanced training systems available today. Raising the bar for every surgical decision. Today's procedures demand greater precision, faster decisions, and a higher level of awareness. This calls for a new dimension in training. The Global Surgical Institute is built with a clear intent to enable surgeons to train before they operate, to move learning into an environment where skills are practiced, refined, and
I'm chairman of Dr. Ajay Kumar, chairman of HCG and GHA, Global Health Academy. Today we have inaugurated Global Surgical Institute. The whole purpose of this is to bring quality care, precision for surgeons. By training on the simulation, they will master how to do precise surgery at the right time, at the right place, so that the outcome will be good with no complications, no mortality, morbidity. And this is the need of the day, to bring precision medicine. And with this kind of technology we have brought to Bangalore, we are very proud that we will be able to offer this to our medical fraternity. Doctors who are aspiring to be surgeons or repeat people who want to retrain and retrain in more complicated surgery can make use of it, learn from it, and become experts in the field. I hope this will be utilized to the maximum extent possible, and more such centers will evolve as we go forward. Once again, in this regard, I would like to thank Anita Niranjan, our Managing Director, who took great initiative in making this happen. Thank you very much.